squishies, it's sosuperKawii, and today I am so excited because this is going to be my very first video with the name sosuperKawii. So I'm super excited, and so this video is going to be my top 10 favorite jumbo squishies, and for my next video I'm going to be doing top 10 favorite mini squishies. So anyway, I have all my jumbo squishies here. So heavy. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing my top 10. So my 10th favorite squishy is this turtle. My 9th favorite squishy is this panda bun. My 8th favorite squishy is this banana. My 7th favorite squishy is this iBloom Pom-Pom hamster. It's Happy Momo. Yeah, super defected. My 6th favorite squishy is medium iBloom Peach. This is also known as a butt button. I'm going to make a thumbnail now. I don't know, I'm horrible at thumbnails. My 5th favorite is this jumbo strawberry. I'm going to do squish test, see which one is squishier and more icing. Try that again. Like I expected, iBloom won. So yeah, this one is still super duper squishy. And a better favorite than this one. My 4th favorite squishy is panda bun. My 3rd favorite squishy is the squishy that I decoed. I know, it's a horrible squishy. My 2nd favorite squishy is Barry the bread dog. Back is so textured. That's why I really love it. And I just adore these wings. They're so cute. And finally, my number 1 squishy. But before I show it, please like and subscribe and comment. And here is my number 1 favorite squishy. It is Millie the Whale. Surprise face. Millie is like my favorite squishy ever. so squishy. She's so just, oh my gosh. She is just she just has the cutest little face ever. She's pretty dense, but I mean, who cares? She's still the perfect squishy and stress reliever. She is just my favorite squishy out of all of squishies in my whole entire collection. Yeah. So yeah. Millie is just beautiful. And here's her packaging. I'm just so used to swishing things, I squish the packaging now. So everyone, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and show your love by commenting nice comments in the comment section. And please follow me on all my social medias, which will be listed down below in the description. And I really hope you have an amazing day. Bye.